how to add a Lorem Ipsum text in Figma. So it can be very useful, and I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's jump right in. So let's say in order to add a Lorem Ipsum text, you have to make sure that you add a text box first. Okay, there you go. And all we have to do is go to the plugins. So it's usually at the main menu at the left top corner. You can see a drop down menu and go to the plugins, and another option will appear. You have to go to manage plugins, tap into that. And here what you have to do is in the search bar type in Lorem Ipsum. I have already done that before, so I'm going to simply tap into this option over here. And it says that select a layer to generate either placeholder or text or image. So okay, I'm gonna create a text box again. So it says whether you want to fake data, real data, or Lorem Ipsum. So I'm gonna just simply show you just how to do it. I just want to show you the idea of it. So I'm definitely gonna select the Lorem Ipsum. And you can also select how many paragraphs you want. So I guess I'm gonna do it 2. You can also choose whether you want characters or 2 words or even 2 sentences or even a paragraph. So I'm gonna select paragraph, and now all you have to do is tap into that generate option, and it will generate a Lorem Ipsum text for you. So it's very useful and very quick. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Basic for more videos, tips and tutorials. And yeah, thank you for watching and happy designing.